Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shraddha's Passion. Today I bring you another mouth-watering chicken starter recipe, that is chicken drumstick, or commonly called as drums of heaven. As the name suggests, it is really delicious and mouth-watering, and it is very easy to prepare this. To start with, I have cleaned all the chicken drumsticks. These days chicken drumsticks are very easily available in the market, and we'll do the first marination. I'll be taking around 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt you can again take as per your taste. Then I'll be adding around half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Along with it, I'll also be adding around 1 teaspoon soya sauce. This is dark soya sauce, and 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. To give it a kick of chili, we'll be using Szechuan chutney. Here I'll be using 1 tablespoon Szechuan chutney. If you do not have it, you can replace it using your red chili sauce. Coat everything very well with the chicken pieces and keep it for marination for around 20 to 30 minutes. The chicken pieces will absorb all the flavors very quickly within this 30 minutes, and after that we'll go ahead doing the second marination on the chicken pieces. To start with it, I'll be using 1 egg. If you do not like egg, you can skip this process. Next, I'll add around half cup of all-purpose flour or maida and half cup of corn flour. Do not over add the flours, as it will make the chicken very chewy. Then we'll season it well with salt, pepper and red chili powder, that is Kashmiri red chili powder again. Along with it, I'll add a dash of dark soya sauce again. So please remember that you have already added salt, pepper and all the other masalas in the first marination too. So adjust your taste accordingly. Mix it all well and coat the flours very well with every chicken pieces. After coating it well with the chicken pieces, let it rest for around 5 minutes, and then the chickens are ready to be deep fried in hot oil. So here we have used very hot oil, you can check out, and I'll be carefully placing the chicken pieces one by one into the hot oil. After placing the chicken pieces into hot oil, you can lower the flame to low medium so that the chickens are cooked well from outside and very juicy from inside. After turning sides of the chicken, you can very well see that the chickens are now golden brown and ready to be taken out in a plate. These chicken pieces are really flavorful and can be eaten as it is. Just ensure taking out all the chicken pieces in an absorbent sheet or in a strainer so that the extra oil gets soaked up. Similarly, we'll take out all the chicken pieces which has turned golden brown properly and are well cooked. Now we'll do the next batch of frying, that is, we'll again carefully add the rest of the chicken pieces into the hot oil and we'll fry it in a low medium flame. This process will only take around 2-3 minutes to deep fry. So be patient and fry it properly, otherwise the chicken will not be well cooked from inside. Look how quickly we have fried all the chicken pieces, and it is all golden brown and ready to be eaten. But wait, we'll make a sauce for it for more extra flavor. To make a quick sauce, we'll be taking a wide pan, and I have added around 1 teaspoon oil. Heat it well, and to it we'll be adding garlic. This is chopped garlic of like 2-3 cloves. You can use garlic as per your taste again. Fry it for a while, and then I'll be adding some red chili powder, again Kashmiri red chili powder for that beautiful red color. Along with it, I'll be adding dark soya sauce around half teaspoon and Szechuan chutney again around half teaspoon, and I'll be also adding tomato ketchup and black pepper as per taste. Mix it all well. And after giving it a quick mix, we'll just be adding a dash of water to it, that is around 2 tablespoon water. Give it a quick mix and let it come to a boil. Along with it, I have also made a slurry of 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water. Add the slurry to it so that the sauce thickens very well. To it, we'll be adding the chicken pieces again, and meanwhile the sauce will also thicken along with the chicken pieces. Put all the chicken pieces carefully and coat the sauce well with all the chicken pieces. And now your chicken drumsticks are really heavenly and ready to eat. Lastly, season it with chopped spring onions or chopped fresh coriander leaves. Do try this mouth-watering chicken starter recipe at home and enjoy! The chicken drumsticks are now ready to be served, so let's plate it. Here I'll serve the chicken drumsticks to kids, so I'll be serving it with tomato ketchup. If you want to give this chicken drumsticks a restaurant look, you can cover up the bones using foil paper. So this is how it will look like. Here I have served it with tomato ketchup for kids. You may also serve these chicken drumsticks with any chutney of your choice. Here I have served it with Szechuan chutney and along with it some onion rings. So do try this recipe at home, and if you like this recipe, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. I hope you liked this recipe and enjoyed today's video. So stay tuned for more such interesting videos, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing with the bell icon. Happy cooking!